The next tool we're going to cover is the Point Dropper tool. Tap on the Point Dropper tool located on the toolbar. This tool allows the placement of many types of markers onto the device's map screen. The marker categories are markers, mission, spot map, overhead markers, vehicles, Google, OpenStreetMap, generic icons, wildfire, FEMA icons, and default. At this time, tap Cancel. By tapping on the Settings button on the top right of the Point Dropper tool, users can see here, this tool has many hundreds of different symbols and markers under categorized menus that can be used to identify locations or provide quick reference information based on the location. Users are encouraged to create or use SOPs in regards to the use of these symbols so that the operational environment is augmented by a standardized set of markers that are uniformly understood by all users in the network. Tap the persistent back. Point Dropper icons are grid reference icons that remain on the device when they are created or uploaded onto the ATAK server. Using the markers icon set, users can select from the unknown object in yellow, the neutral object in green, the red object in red, and the friendly object in blue. Select the red object by tapping on the icon, which will highlight it in green, making it active. Users can place the red object onto the map by tapping on the desired location for which the red object is to be placed. Users can add multiple red objects by tapping various points on the map. To discontinue placing points, tap on the red objects again to deactivate it, which will now no longer be highlighted. Users can edit the markers by tapping on the marker location on the map screen and accessing the radio menu, then selecting the detailed sheet slice. There, users can name the marker as well as see range and bearing information from the user. Users can send specified contacts or send to a group. If any attachments such as pictures or documents are associated with the marker, users can tap on the paperclip button and add the desired attachment to the marker. AutoSend will send the icon to all users on the network. At this time, tap the persistent back. All markers can have a custom prefix added to the marker name, as well as an index that increases sequentially. Under the spot map marker library, the user can place text into the prefix such as a letter, followed by a hyphen, then a number in the index field. Then every tap of the map screen will generate the chosen spot map marker and denote the prefix and index accordingly. Users also have the option of changing the index from numerical to alphanumerical by tapping the button labeled 1-2. By tapping on the button that looks like a sales tag, users can place a tag on the map without adding a spot map marker. Users can access the radio menu of each spot map marker individually by tapping on the desired spot map. By selecting the detail sheet, users have the option to rename, change the color, as well as remove the spot map marker icon by checking and unchecking the label only box, and the label only will remain, or place a spot map marker on the label only markers. This tool is useful for labeling buildings or areas of interest in the user's operational environment. All other icons can be placed on the map using the same steps. This concludes the Point Dropper tool.